Hello friends, it is time for some math. I hope if you haven't already done your number 9 chart, make sure you get that done today. And also make sure you're doing your counting to 100 using your 100 chart, touching each number as you count, at least all the way to 30. If you're doing a great job counting to 30, make sure you're counting even higher. Now today we're going to do some different story problems. So I will change my camera around so that you can see some of my things down here. So let me switch my camera, and here we go. So now you can see there are 3 frogs and 3 turtles. So that's 1, 2, 3 frogs and 1, 2, 3 turtles. So we want to figure out how many is that all together. So what we need to do is we've got 3 here and 1, 2, 3 here. We can add. When we want to know how much something is all together, that means we have to add those numbers. So I'm going to put 3, and when you add, you use the plus sign. So 3, we have 3 here and 3 here. So let's start right here. We know this is 3, and let's add on 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Great job. So now let's erase this. And I'm going to move these out of the way. And now let's see. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this time 6 turtles. 6 turtles. Those 6 turtles are swimming in the pond. But one turtle, he got tired of swimming and he wanted to go over to the sun and relax. So he's not swimming anymore. So I'm going to turn him over. So we're going to take away or subtract 1. So when you subtract, you use the minus sign. So now we have 6 minus 1 equals, and how many do we have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. Great job. Now, let's go ahead. I'm going to erase this one. Now let's move these out of the way. Now this time what we're going to do is we're going to look at some flies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 flies. They're all buzzing around because they are smelling something really good to eat. So we've got 7. But one fly flew. Actually, not just 1, but 2 flies flew away. So we're going to subtract. We're using our minus sign. Minus 2. So now let's see how many are left. That's going to be what we put after the equal sign. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flies are left. All right, let's try another one. Let's erase this. Move these out of the way. Right, now we have our turtle and our frogs come back. This time, I want to do 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That turtle and frog, they were so hungry, they were eating some of those flies. But we want to find out how many flies did they eat all together. So let's see, turtle's got 1, 2, 3, and frog has got, so we're going to add, because we want to know how many altogether, we have to use our add. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see, how many does that equal? So we're going to count. We know this one has 3, so we're going to start with 3 and count on. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see if you can try some of those story problems at your house. Remember, if you know this is 3, you don't have to count those again. Just start with 3 and add on. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's much faster when you do that instead of having to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can still do it that way, but it's faster if you say, okay, I know that's 3. I'm going to start with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, I want you to try some of those math problems at home and then show me what you came up with.